Hi there, my name is Ronnie Russell. I'm here with Peter Harper. I'm from Jaguar Drivers Club Scotland and Peter's from Jaguar Enthusiast Club. We go to car shows and we take videos of cars that we think have got the wow factor and they have drawn our attention. We came across this lovely car here and Graham is working away polishing it up. We're just going to have a wee chat with Graham about his car. Graham, what year is this car?
So it's a 1960 Mark 9 3.8 manual, which makes it very rare.
Yes.
Plenty of automatics out there, but this is a manual.
That's a manual, right?
So yes,
some size of car.
It's been beautifully restored, but yes, it's yes, it's certainly got the space.
What was that great famous saying they said about these cars? Was it
grace, space, and pace? Grace.
Grace, pace and space.
That's it.
There you go, there you go, you see. Can we open up the door here and we can actually... Oh, look, this usually happens to us, Peter, doesn't it? We go to a car and the car's locked and we can't get in.
Doesn't trust us.
Then we go to open the bonnet and we can't find the clip for the bonnet.
I've left the keys on the stand.
Oh, never mind.
Well, we'll just cut it at that.
Okay, see you in a bit. Go and get the keys.
Remember at car shows when you actually have a look at cars and have a look around, sometimes things don't quite work out how you expect. So when people are busy, they've got other things to do. So can I just show you the front of the car here?
Yeah, he went and got the keys, he's opened up the car, but then he had to go.
So he had to go back to his stand, which was Classic Restoration Scotland Limited. So he just handed his keys. So here we are, hello, and we've got the car here. I think we showed under the bonnet, didn't we? Or we just doing that just now? Oh, well, they couldn't open it because into the keys, right? Well, here we have one big engine, right, which you need to have to power such a big car. Matter of fact, when you look at the size of the car, you'd have a heck of a job trying to park this in Sainsbury's supermarket car park. When you see the car parking spaces you get nowadays and you see this car, you go, wow, this is like 1.5 car parking spaces. If you want to go along the side here, Peter, you can see the shape and the angles of the car. There we are. The inside of the car is the bit that we were wanting to see. It is absolutely beautiful. Look at the luxury, look at the seats, they're the size of armchairs.
That dashboard's nice, isn't it?
It's built for comfort, it's built to be enjoyed, and the dashboard is absolutely beautiful.
Now the owner said this is a manual and it's very unusual.
Well, he said that most of these cars are automatic and to get a manual was very rare. So there you go, we've got a manual, but we're good at finding things that are a wee bit different. That's why we film them. So we'll go around the car now and you can see the shape. What actually surprises you most is actually the size of the car, because the size of the car is amazing. And again, we'll talk about the back ends. The back ends all tend to be different, and the bumpers is one of the things that stands out the most. And of course the exhaust, you can see the exhaust on that. We're not going to start it up because it's not our car. We're trying to give you an idea of what this model is like. Matter of fact, Peter, see if you take it from that angle there, you actually get an idea just how big this car is.
Massive.
Yeah, it's absolutely massive. Now, look, 2 petrol tanks.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, in the olden days, a lot of Jaguars, I mean, especially up to the 70s, had the 2 petrol tanks. Right, so I'll back along here. Then, of course, you'll be doing your zoom in on the various parts of the car, but when you see the front of the car and you see the grille, and of course the most important thing is the leaper up the top. But I tell you what, I'm not going to close the bonnet because
I can see
it's been left open, and we've not got a good record out shutting bonnets, have we? So we'll leave it at that. So again, we're at Glamis Castle Extravaganza, where you do get a great variety of cars. This show's been going for 50 years. It's one of the biggest shows, and we've got a few other cars down here. If you want to wander down, we've got I'm probably thinking it's a 1967 Jaguar Mark
Yeah, it
II,
will be.
right? Just by the registration plate.
67 or 60.
It doesn't. I don't see. I was looking for a storyboard card, but I don't see one there. But again, I love the looking Mark II. It's in your dark blue, and
3.4 litre.
definitely your cops and robbers style. Ideal for doing the old movies. Looks the part, got the performance, got the comfort. The owner's not here just now, so we can't actually have a look inside the car or hear it running.